that Chad?
What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad auto reviews video. Today we're going to be taking a test drive in this 2017 Ford Edge SEL. If you guys do want to see a full walk around and description of all the features of this car, make sure you go check out my channel, as I just uploaded that video directly before this one. And in that video I describe everything that you need to know about this car inside and out. So now it's time to take this thing for a test drive and tell you guys how it handles, how it performs. Not only tell you, but show you in a POV type of setup. Now, before we get going too deep, let me just tell you guys just a few basic things about the car. This model, the SEL, is going to come in a 2-liter inline 4 turbocharged motor, which is going to produce 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 on the highway. So pretty good. It's about 250 horsepower, and that's not exact, but that is pretty close. Now, something I want to point out real quick before I get in there, you guys just witnessed me doing the smart entry system because this car is equipped with it. So all I did to unlock the car was put my hand back there behind the door handle and pulled on it to open it, and it opened. Man, really nice seats in this car, very comfortable. Let's go ahead and start this thing up and show you the start screens. Of course, you have Ford's normal little startup tones. If you guys do like this video, please make sure you go ahead and like this video. Give it a thumbs up for me. I'm trying to hit, let's say 500 likes on this video. If you guys could please help me out. Every single one of you that has clicked into this, that would be phenomenal for me. Couple things before we get going in the car. This is going to be a power adjustable seat with 2-way lumbar support. It is obviously leather, like I said. It's pretty comfortable. It's kind of stiff, but not too bad. As far as everything else, space-wise, I have tons of space. I don't feel cramped at all, and I'm 6'1". I'm going to go ahead and show you head space and all of that. Shoulder room, tons of space. Once again, like I said, I don't feel cramped at all in the car. So those are all great things. Like I said, I'm not a huge guy, but I'm also not a tiny guy at 6'1". So most people should fit in this car pretty well, especially with the ability to adjust the steering wheel in this telescopic mode. And then obviously the power seat goes tons of different directions, and tons of different things there. The tachometer needs to be on. There we go. It's located right over here. Over here in the middle, I have the speed, and then let's see if I can get something informative for you guys on the right-hand side. Entertainment's fine. That works. As you can see, tons of different information up here as far as temperature, direction of travel, time. All of your audio stuff would obviously normally be up here. As you guys saw, on the left-hand side, you have a ton of different options. You have, speedometer, a tachometer. You have your miles down here, all of your trip information over here, gas, and then your analog speedometer right here in the middle. So let me go ahead and show you guys the backup camera. It's a really nice backup camera. This car does also have parking sensors, so let me demonstrate that for you. As I get close to this, you'll notice it's letting me know exactly where I'm getting close to. Starts beeping faster as I get close to it, and then you can see it shows me exactly where I'm at and color coordinates how close I am. So really nice there. Now go ahead and get on this drive. I want to start off by doing it in just the regular drive mode, and then I'm going to be putting it into the sport mode and seeing the differences and comparing those. As I mentioned, the car does have paddle shifters. However, I will not be using those in this video, strictly because the car does a better job of shifting than I will, and I wanna show what the car can do, not what I can do. So let's go ahead and get going. If you guys have one of these cars and I'm forgetting something, or I'm just telling it wrong, drop a comment and let me know. If you're shopping for one of these cars against something else, competitor, drop a comment and let me know what car you'd like to see me review, and I'll make sure I get that going. If you guys want to see a really nice car, look at this one coming up. Jeez. Okay, but back to the Ford. Maybe one day I'll get me one of those to do. Not yet. If anybody has a Rolls Royce, let me know. Let me review it. I'm in Southern California. I have insurance, so I can drive it. But, let's see. Okay, so far, initial reactions. Pretty quiet ride. You don't hear a lot of road noise. I actually don't hear hardly any engine noise. I can hear the turbo a little bit every now and then spooling up, which is actually a sound I kind of like it. I kind of like that. Now, seat's comfortable, especially with that lumbar support. I'm able to get the seat exactly how I want it. Everything else is really nice. No super bad blind spots in the car, and everything is easily reachable without having to do too much in the seat, without having to move around a whole lot. Now let's go ahead and see regular drive mode. Let's see how this car accelerates from a stop. So definitely, I had some tire spin there, but I also had some lag. So turbo lag, which was definitely apparent in that. Actually, I want to do that one more time, and except this time I'm going to be going about 30 miles an hour, and then I'll step on it and see how it would handle if you were passing somebody. So here we go. Much better. Much better. Once again, I don't know if you guys noticed how quiet that was, but you didn't hear hardly any road noise. I don't know if maybe you guys could hear the turbo. I definitely could hear that turbo in there spooling up though. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in S mode and see if that changes anything. I know as far as appearance wise, it didn't change anything. No color combination change, no little diagrams showing me I'm in sport mode. The only way you're gonna know is just the S right there, which isn't a bad thing. Okay, first we'll go ahead and do a pull from 0. Now I want to apologize for facing the sun. Not too bad. The shifting it's hit or miss. I've noticed sometimes I don't notice, so sometimes it shifts great. Other times it's a little bit sluggish to shift. Not really wanting to shift too much, which is kind of a problem. But let's see how it pulls from moving here in just a second. Let me get past this light here, and then I'll get one more little pull on it. Once again, I apologize about this glare. It's pretty bad. Shouldn't have been going into the sun. But here we go. So going 20 miles an hour, and then okay. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. Definitely not a sports car or anything like that. But for a turbocharged 4-cylinder motor, it's not bad. Especially considering this is a family SUV, so to haul your kids and family around in. That gets 26 miles per gallon. So wasn't expecting it to be, a huge powerhouse. But I am surprised and I am glad. I really am enjoying this. With that being said, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys do like the video, as I said, make sure you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it to anybody you know that's in the market for one of these. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching another Is That Chad Auto Reviews video. I'll see you.
Is that Chad?